much relaxed in the position that we in. It's like the hog in the line going to be slaughtered. You know what I mean? Not knowing it's in the slaughter line.
Right. Yeah, we caught up in the matrix. We caught up in the matrix. We following the entertainment. It's not controlled by us. It's controlled by the enemy. And so they set it up how they would set it up, and they control the chessboard right now. So they moving the pieces, and all the pieces they move in every aspect of society.
So do you feel that we are way too dependent on the system?
Do I feel like we way too dependent on the system? Yeah, we way too dependent on the system.
I mean, what does it look like? Is it mayhem? Is it chaos? Is everybody running to the supermarkets going crazy and people? Is it turning into zombie land? Is it World War III? Is it get your gun? Is it zombie land? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
How you feel right now? You better grab your gun and it's gonna turn into the Night of the Living, The Walking Dead. What is it? The Walking Dead? Are they preparing our minds with this show, The Walking Dead? Are they preparing our minds for zombie land?
Yeah, no doubt. I mean, no doubt. And it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen today. Meaning in this time, in this era, and it's gonna happen 23,000 years from now. And then it's gonna happen. Then it's gonna happen 1,050,000 years from now.
And the last question, and I'm gonna let it go. Do you believe that this is the end of the age?
Yeah, we already in the age of Aquarius. I believe, right? End of the age of Aquarius. Yeah. Then we just moved into the age of Aquarius. So yeah, I believe this is the end of an age, and that's why we see a lot of chaos and a lot of the shit that we see going on.
Thanks for calling in, man, and thanks for having this beautiful dialogue with me, brother. I appreciate it.
Okay. Bet 100.
Peace. It's a good bill. Yeah, I like that quote right there. Peace, God.
Oh shit, I'm alive. What's good?
What's going on, man?
Hey, why people always come on your live try to preach their message, man?
Huh?
Why people come on your live try to get clout?
I don't know. I guess because they got views and, everybody wants to get attention, So.
Yeah, I see. I got one question, though, like everybody else.
What's that?
So, I've been, doing my research and shit, right? And I've seen that people in very high societies are saying not to call ourselves gods, you feel me? Because God is the all. The all is in everything. But we're not the all. The all is in the earthworm, but the earthworm is not the all. You feel me?
No, I don't.
You not understanding?
No. Okay, you're saying it's a part of the all.
Yeah, so the all is in a dog, right? The dog, right? It's an anagram. You know what an anagram is? The dog is an anagram for God. And the all is within that dog. But the dog is not God. But God resides within the dog. You feel me?
So God is the dog, but the dog is not God. Is what you're saying?
Yeah, it's like man, God lives within us, but we're not.
So God
lives within
us, but we're not God.
We're not. We can't create universes.
Oh.
Do you think we can? Do you think we can?
Absolutely.
So how do we create a universe?
I think you do it every night when you dream.
You think we create universes because of a dream?
Alright, so when you go into darkness at night, right?
Yeah.
You go into nothingness. And then your mind, you will a reality as what we call dreams. And you create that what you observe. You decided and you created that reality. This is my belief. My belief is that we create reality through our observation.
So I understand that, but what about in our waking hours? Can we create anything in our waking hours? Like, do you have the power to manifest?
In this realm of this plane of existence, you can. You would just have to focus your mind on it enough. If you focus your mind on anything enough, then you can manifest it. I call it manifestation.
So why is that so limited?
If you have the will, the focus, and the strong enough desire to do it, then you can manifest whatever your mind can conceive, as long as you have what it takes to attain it.
And also, I got another question for you, right? I see the whole Muslim thing, right? The Islam and everything, but you still dealing with tarot cards and dealing with numerology and dealing with astrology.
Who told you I
as a
was
Muslim?
tarot cards?
Tarot.com, like you promote them.
Tarot.com is for your astrological birth chart only. I don't deal with tarot cards.
So you don't mess with astrology and numerology.
I mess with astrology and numerology, but not tarot cards.
So is that by Allah? Is that can you do that as a Muslim?
I definitely do that. I definitely encourage people to study astrology and numerology. I definitely encourage. That's what we do here in my culture.
Okay, so why just dive into the arts of fallen angels?
But that's your belief, and
No, it's fact. It's fact. The fallen angels brought these arts here.
You can't prove that.
Yes, I can.
You have to, first of all, you have to.
I can't prove that.
What I'm saying is, you have to prove it with actual facts, not.
I asked that. You want to listen?
Not with a man's book, as far as a belief, but you have to prove it with scientific facts that astrology is from fallen angels. Can you do that?
Yes, I can.
I'm listening.
Have you read the book of Enoch?
No, I don't read books.
Okay, so but still, you can still sense something within you that can tell you that these arts are not from men.
Excuse me?
You can still sense something within you that these arts are not from men. You heard of angel numbers, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that tells you that these arts are not manly. That these arts are divine arts, and most of them are from fallen angels, like numerology, astrology.
I don't know about fallen angels and stuff like that. I mean, I do, but my concept of fallen angels is different. But what I can tell you is astrology is super accurate, dog, and it's the truth.
It is accurate, but it is very dangerous. It is a dangerous art.
And what's dangerous about knowing astrology?
Because if you know astrology down to the level, like the deepest level of astrology, you can control a nation.
You can what?
You can control a nation if you really know astrology.
So if you really control, so what if you can control a nation?
That's very dangerous.
Why?
Because the nation doesn't have free will. Alright?
Well, we don't believe in free will where I'm from.
Why not?
Because everything is in divine time and is mathematical. The universe is mathematical. We don't
understand that.
We don't believe in free will because your choices are predestined.
Like, I'm telling you, this is very divine. Like, I'm telling you, I study all the arts, man. Study all that shit. And I'm telling you, like, it's very dangerous.
You study Kemet? You study Kemet?
Yeah, I have. I have the key of life on my arm. Like, the key of life is right here.
Okay.
The key of life.
So what I'm saying to you is this.
Like,
come
on, man.
Okay, so when it comes to that, right? And I'm just asking you this.
Yeah.
That's your perception. But you
No.
You're saying that astrology is evil.
I'm not saying it's evil. I'm not one of those like old heads. You feel me? I'm not saying it's evil. It is dangerous.
We consider it evil, wouldn't it not?
No, because fallen angels brought jewelry to the world. You understand that? Man didn't come up with jewelry. They gifted us with jewelry. Crystals. You know what fallen angels give us crystals, right?
It's kind of hard to talk to you because it's like my understanding of what a fallen angel is a man.
A fallen angel is a man?
Yeah.
Nah, I don't think so, man. I don't think so. Not even close, man. Not even close. Not even remotely close.
Okay. Well, I agree to disagree.
But I love you, bro. I love you. Keep doing what you're doing.
I love myself.
Easy. Thanks for the call.
Peace. Peace. I think the 5% Nation holds a lot of good knowledge, y'all.
What's good, Chief? What's going down? I'm good. How are you?
Everything good, brother.
That's what's up. So, I've been watching your lives lately, man, and I'm really telling you to keep up the message, man. There's a lot of noise that's going on out here. You know, I'm in Babylon, you know, in New York, in Brooklyn, and you're speaking truth. And the thing is that everybody wants to, you know, cloud your message with the negativity and all of the outliers of, well, this is happening and that's happening. But at the end of the day, what you're saying is right and exact. When you're talking about the black woman and what she needs to do and to understand. When you're talking about the black man as far as how he needs to step up and lead. Everything you're saying is right and exact. Can't nobody refute that. Now, their emotions may want to refute that because they've been conditioned and taught otherwise, but everything you're saying is true. So I encourage you to keep speaking and moving forward. Now, you already know that when you speak in truth, everybody's going to hate you. Everybody's going to hate you, and everybody's going to be trying to throw daggers at you. But you just got to be able to just stay focused, keep moving forward, and keep to your mission. Stay to your mission. Because everything you're saying is 100% facts. Accountability and responsibility needs to be had and needs to be, you know, realized by black people. We gotta have responsibility and take accountability for our actions and things that we're doing. Because we're doing a lot of fuck shit out here, but we don't want to take accountability for it or responsibility for it. You know what I'm saying?
So what do you feel about? If the economy fell right now, what kind of predicament is the black family in?
Oh, we fucked. We messed up. We through. All day. Through. And you know why? It's because there's no discipline. Most of the people out here, we don't have no discipline. And I'm not going to act like I'm not one of them. Like, I haven't shown, you know, like I haven't had discipline a time or two in my life. You know, I have. I'm guilty of it. But it's just the discipline. It's discipline and then knowledge of self and then also getting to know ourselves. You know what I'm saying? What you're doing. Getting in tune with yourself and nature. Because nature will give you the answers. You don't have to go to a book. Nature will give you the answers. My homeboy told me, he said, whenever in doubt, look at nature. Whenever in doubt, look at nature. You know? But we just too bullheaded. We too stubborn, we too prideful, and then when somebody's preaching and speaking the truth, we want to look at them like, oh man, that nigga ain't saying shit. He ain't talking about nothing. And we want to keep downing them. For what? Why down him? The man is speaking facts. Speaking all facts, bro. You're coming from a male perspective that is alpha, that's 50s, 60s, 30s and 40s, 1930s and 40s. Think about this. And I tell my people this all the time. I say, look, in the 30s and 40s, let's take it back there, the 30s and 40s, the households were 93%, 89 or 93% nuclear households, mother, father, child, and they probably even had, maybe a grandparent or something living in the household. Okay? Men were running and leading. Now, after 69, and now to present, 78% birth rate by women, single parents. Women are leading the community, leading our communities, and everything is fucked up and in shambles. We don't have to say nothing. History is telling the story. History is telling the story. We don't even have to say nothing. So anybody that don't believe that, all they got to do is go back to then. Go back in time. Go back to the 40s, 50s, 60s. And see when men were leading, black men were stepping up and leading businesses. Things were pretty good. Pretty good. Now, we may not have had it good, socially with white folks. But, you know what I'm saying? We had our own businesses. We had our own communities. Men were dressing in suits, very respectful. Women were dressing in dresses, very respectful, being women. But now look at us. We fell for the bait. We took the bait, and now we all messed up.
It's okay.
But I do believe that we'll get back there. That's why I say what you're teaching is very important. And I don't care who says. I listen to some of these other cats. I'm checking some of these other things, like some of these other cats that are, playing you, that are, rebroadcasting your lives and they're giving their commentaries. It's like it's all babble. All they doing is just giving all babble. It's all emotional babble. It's nothing that's logical. And to the point. Man. You're logical to the point, and you're speaking facts, bro. So you got to keep that up, and you got to move forward. Fuck what the haters say. It don't even matter what they say. They're non-existent.
You're right.
You know what I'm saying? Right. They're gonna come at you saying you beating and you doing all of this. Fuck all that, man. Stay focused. Keep talking about what you're talking about, bro.
Mm-hmm. Hey, I appreciate you calling in and telling me that, man. I appreciate the encouragement. It's good to have it.
No doubt. Now, it's your man Bonds. You know what I'm saying? We still gotta chat about business, bro. We still gotta chat. You know what I'm saying? So,
Queens and Kings. Before I started uploading, I got in about 7, between 6 and 7. I've been up. Gabby is doing much better. A lot of hospital coffee. It was just a stressful night. A lot of tears, stressful night. But we love our Gabby. Gabby is sleeping. She just went back to sleep, so I love you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you all.